What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel with me, Mr. Wave. Okay, in this video, I will talk about something. With that, I will talk about the tips and tricks how to start and keep your speaking. It's good for you who wants to start and keep your skill to speak English. This is a special way. Why is it special? Because you can do this way by yourself. You yourself can do this without partner. It's better for you when you are in quarantine and you want to utilize your time to do something positive. So let's get about rolling. Guys, one of the points to start your speaking is how to make English to be your habit. When we talk about habitation, we talk about daily life. Start from wake up in the morning till go bed in the night. Every single day. The other point is about environment, such as family, friends, office, course, place that can support and help to speak English. How lucky they are who has those. But how about us? We have no those. Okay, I have the solution. I will search you the tips and tricks that can help your speaking in English without partner. So, please pay attention. First is say what you do. Say what you do. I mean, you have to say your action in English. When you do something, say it in English. Your daily activity, your habit, everything. The example, something like this. I wake up in the morning for my sleep and I look for my glasses. Where's my glasses? Oh, this is my glasses. I check the time. Oh, I have to get up now. I get up from my bed, then I take my sleeper and I tidy up my bed a little bit and I'm walking. Because I want to go to the bathroom. I open the door and I take a ritual ablution. And then I move to the praying room. I prepare myself for praying. And I have dawn prayer. Second is say what you feel. Say what you feel. When you feel something, bad feeling, good feeling, or something like that, say it. The example, something like this. Ouch. I feel not good now. I'm hungry and thirsty. A little bit headache. There is problem with my stomach. I think I get stomachache. I felt this. from last night because I spent a lot of food before. I hope this is not diarrhea. Ouch! Oh my gosh. I think I must go to the toilet now. Third is say what you see. Say what you see. When you see something around you, building, panorama, people activity, or everything, say it. The example, something like this. Today is cloudy, but I like cloudy not too much. I can hear the sound of bird, insect, chicken, people activity, and then many more. You know, I see there are many birds on the sky. They fly free. And the other birds, they are flying on the roof. How lucky they are. I see banana tree, flower, and the other trees, but I don't know where's the name. There were chickens. They are playing under the banana tree. There's a cat. The cat is walking, looking for something, and going to somewhere. I don't know where. Can you hear that? The sound of the bird is beautiful. House, colorful, the roof, then many more. Can you see that over there in the forest? Mountain, the big one. Do you know what's the name? That is Mount Jeremiah. I hope I can go there next. Not today, I think. Yeah, I wanna go there, I hope. You have to do that constantly. It's the way and the process to change your habitation. Yeah, I know. When you do that, some people will think you are crazy because you speak by yourself. But it's okay. Just ignore that. So I want to give you some tips again to avoid the negative thinking of the other people. With that, for your family in your house or your friends in your boarding house or something like that, just say to them before if you are in learning to speak English. And then you will speak by yourself. Tell to them. Next, when you are in the public area, you still can do that. But I suggest to you, better you say it by low voice. So nobody can hear you. Only yourself can hear your voice. Nobody can think you are crazy, okay? This method is powerful. First, say what you do. Second, say what you feel. Third, say what you see. Trust me, it works. Back again. I want to remind you over and over again. When you want to do that and you want to be success to do that, you have to know about the foundation of speaking. The most important in speaking. Well, that, yes, it's about confidence. Just do it constantly. I hope you can get your target in learning English. And in the next video, we'll talk about something again. It will help you to learn speaking easily. But before that, I want to remind you, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification so you can get my new video soon. Like, comment and share to the other people if you think my video is useful. Okay, in the next video, we'll talk about vocabularies that you need, because not all of the vocabularies you need now. Thanks for watching. My name is Mr. Viv. Back to you.